In this guide, I'll show you how to update your NVIDIA graphic card drivers. So let's get straight into it, and you first need to launch up an internet browser. Head over to a search engine like Google and just type in NVIDIA app, download and hit enter. Head over to the top search result, this download NVIDIA app. Come down and select download beta. Give this a couple of seconds to download and then launch up the application. Once you've launched the file, you'll need to run through the installation process. Click on agree and continue, and once again give this a moment to install. Once the application has finished installing, you can either choose Game Ready Driver or NVIDIA Studio Driver. Now, if you're using your system mainly for gaming, then I'd recommend choosing Game Ready Driver. However, if you're just using your computer for general purposes, then go ahead and install NVIDIA Studio Driver. Go ahead and click on Next. We need to disable this option, Optimize Games and Creative Applications, by pressing this toggle button. Come down to Next. Then you can choose to enable or disable the NVIDIA overlay. I'm going to keep mine disabled. Press on Done. And then finally, once we're inside of the NVIDIA app, head over to Drivers in this left-hand navigation, and right at the top here, you should see the latest driver ready to download. If you don't see a driver at the top here, we can always press this refresh button. And to download the latest driver, just click on this download button here. This should only take a few seconds as it's a relatively small file size. Once the driver's finished downloading, you'll need to click on Install. From this window, either choose Express or Custom Installation. I'd recommend choosing Express, press Continue, and that's going to go ahead and install the latest graphics driver to your device. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.